Let's do the calendar. You can find this display in your Experience Preschool Curriculum Kit. Every month you will receive a new poster and calendar pieces to put up each day. The months of the year are available to print in member resources. Begin by singing the days of the week song. There are 7 days, there are 7 days, there are 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And what is today? Sing it again and pause to wait for children to say what today's day is. Okay, what is today? Let's find out. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. And what is today's date? It is October 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And wait for children to say what the next number is. You can also at this time have your calendar helper come up and help you put the next day number piece up. To help them, you can show 2 calendar pieces and ask them to find the number 6 so it can come after 5. Once the child identifies which card it is, you can put a piece of tape on the back and the child will simply stick it on there. Today's date is October 6th. October 6th. Say it with me. October 6th. October 6th. October 6th. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. October 6th. You can also notice that there's going to be an emerging pattern to this calendar. And this can be really fun to work on patterning. It's also going to be helpful when you start to get to a really high number and the children can no longer identify what number comes next. And so when you show them the 2 pieces, they can pick which picture in the pattern comes next instead of the numeral. When you do the pattern, go ahead and create some movements so the children can participate and start to move a little bit. So for example, maybe for the sun, we're going to do a fist. And for the rain, we're going to wiggle our fingers down. So you can go sun, sun, rain, rain, sun, sun, rain, rain. So sun, sun, rain, rain, sun, sun, rain, rain. So let's see what might come next here. We have sun, sun, rain, rain, sun, sun. And hopefully your children will start to rain their fingers down. And that's your calendar.